What's going on, guys? It's Mr. America. It's your boy Booney here, and we are nearly done with making our clapped out Dodge not clapped out anymore. Today's edition, we're gonna put some blacked out fog lights in, because you can see looking a little crusty in there. So we're gonna see what it takes to throw these units in. There's two holes there. You can kind of feel in through the top that there's two nuts. So I'm thinking that's probably what you gotta do. We'll get back to you in a minute, let you know what size and how easy they come out. All right, guys, and just as I thought, right on the back is these two 1/2-inch nuts, and the studs stay in the bumper. If you come over here, we're actually having problems. This one actually rounded off, because I'll show you. It's just a carriage bolt, flathead carriage bolt, and that square rounded off on this side. So I gotta get something to get that all fixed up. So if you have that problem, take this top pad off. Mine's screwed on. Yours will just pop off if it's factory. And as you can see, here's the old one. Apparently broke some bulbs in there at some point. And here's the new one. They look slightly, the bracket and stuff looks slightly different, but I think it'll still be all right. I think I just need to adjust it a little bit, maybe. Maybe I'll try doing that. Well, it shouldn't have that anyway. This must be made for a different year, because mine has, my factory one is straight. So you might run into that as well. Just reuse your old bulb, will be fine. If it fits, it ships. There we go. So if you run into that issue, just reuse your old bulb. This is ready to go back in. I also forgot to mention that you have to unplug. What I would do is I would just take off the bulb and let it down there and then just put it in. You can also disconnect it like I did, but I had to switch the bulbs around like I was saying. So basically just take your two bolts out, or your two nuts off, and we're gonna slide this back in. Now what I realized is this says left, but they're Chinese, so apparently left is different than right. I don't know. But this actually goes on the passenger side, which is the right side of the vehicle. Otherwise, when you put them in, they look like they're a fish, and it looks horrible. So if that happens to you, because you know it doesn't fit right, just try moving it to the other side and it'll be much better. So just slip her down in there, get her on your nuts, and run your nuts on, and you'll be good to go. We'll get back to you in a minute and show you what they look like all lit up. All right, guys, so as you can see, we got her on, we got them plugged in, and we're just gonna do a little peel job here, if I can get a corner. Dang. All right, guys, so that's it. Very simple, just 2 1/2 or 13mm, whatever you got. And if you have a problem, you might have to pull the top pad off if it's spinning. Not a huge deal. So hope you enjoyed it, and if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you'd like to see more, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.